This video will cover the supporting information and program materials section of your Cal State application. The supporting information section will include additional content and entries for your associate degree for transfer. If you've indicated you're earning an ADT, please be sure to enter your Golden West student ID number. This will help your transfer center staff correctly report the verification of your degree status. For fall applicants, the verification is completed between the months of February and March. For spring transfers, this information is completed in September and October. Once again, enter the anticipated or completed degree date and save this section. This next page will ask about your interest in the Educational Opportunity Program. If you are not interested and are not participating in EOPS at Golden West College, select No and save and continue. If you are a current EOP&S student, select Yes and enter the campus where you're enrolled in the EOPS program. If you wish to apply for the similar program at the university, select Yes here and additional questions will open. You will need to answer if you've previously attended a CSU campus, if you've participated in any of the following educational programs, and making a selection will ask for the number of years you've been a participant. You will also have some additional information about your family, additional social programs you may be involved in, and responses to any of these areas will open additional content. You will need to include the number of people living in your home and where you plan to live after you transfer to the university. Once you've correctly made all of your selections, you will save and continue to the next section. When you apply to the EOP program, there are additional questions that you will need to answer. You will need to list information about your parents or guardians and the financial status for the 2021 and 2020 years. Once you have entered this information, the next section will include some autobiographical statements. You will need to enter your family's economic background, your career and personal goals, your academic background, volunteer and extracurricular activities, and any additional information that you wish to provide. This section also includes recommendations from two different individuals. You would need to create a recommendation request, entering the name and email of the person that you wish to submit the recommendation on your behalf. Please be sure to notify those individuals that you've requested for the recommendation that they will be receiving this from the Cal State system. The program materials section will have questions related to the different colleges that you've indicated you're applying to for the next term. In each of the different areas, you want to scroll down to find if there are additional questions or a second tab with responses that you need to enter. Once you've answered the questions, save and continue. Some campuses will provide program details, some additional questions that you will need to answer, and you may also be asked to list your prerequisite courses for your major. If you are asked to list the prerequisites for your program, you want to select Assigned Course and enter the college where those courses were completed. In this case, we're selecting Financial Accounting. You want to scroll down to find the course and check the plus button to assign. You want to do that for all courses that are required that meet the prerequisites for your major. When a campus is asking for prerequisites like they are here, it often means that you need to have these as a condition of admission. So if the courses are planned, be sure that you've included them in your upcoming terms. Once you've listed all of your courses and assigned all of your prerequisites, go ahead and save. Once all 4 quadrants are complete, you will be able to start the application submission process. Each college does require a $70 application fee. This is the area where you can also see if your application is missing some content. For Cal Poly Pomona, they are requiring a second program or an alternate major selection. You would need to do this before you can submit the application here. This is the area where you will also be able to check your fee waiver status. This link will not appear until at least one of your colleges is ready to submit and 100% complete. If you are eligible for fee waivers, you can apply to up to 4 colleges without paying the cost of the application. If you are not eligible, then you will need to pay the $70 fee per campus using a credit, debit card, or PayPal.